How to fix Roblox Error Code 267. Now, Roblox Error Code 267 basically means that you have been kicked or temporarily banned from a specific game with that game's developers or security scripts. But I'm going to show you the quickest or the fastest way to fix that. First is locate your Roblox icon on your desktop by right-clicking it and then choose on Open File Location. From here, choose on Roblox Player Beta, right-click once again and go to Properties. And then from Properties, you just simply rename Roblox Player Beta into Roblox Player 1, then choose on Compatibility option. From here, choose on Run this program that is compatible with the operating system that you're currently using. Choose on Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Hit on Apply, OK, try to restart your PC and relaunch the game. And that is how you fix Roblox Error Code 267.